Hello, this is Michael from AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. Thank you for your interest in our tune-ups. I'm going to explain everything that's included in our maintenances as well as the benefits that we include as a thanks to you for being a part of our maintenance program. The first thing that we do when we do a maintenance is we clean the outdoor coil. The reason the outdoor coil needs to be cleaned is because there's no filter on the outdoor coil and it's bringing air into the system and dirt accumulates on there, which causes the system not to be able to breathe. So we clean that first, then we go indoors and we clean the indoor coil also. Even though there's a filter there, sometimes things will get past the filter and the system cannot work properly if it cannot breathe properly. Once we get the outdoor unit cleaned and the indoor coil cleaned, then we'll turn the system on cooling and check for proper operation. We'll check the refrigerant pressure, some people call that Freon, and look for any issues because the Freon in the system is almost like checking blood pressure. If anything is off, it can cause other components to fail. For example, if the Freon is low, a compressor can overheat and a compressor that overheats could fail. Once we've checked the refrigerant/Freon pressures, then we move on and we start checking amperage, motor amperage. The outdoor fan motor and the indoor fan motor, if they fail to spin, could also cause other problems. The system remains cool and efficient when the Freon flow is good and when the airflow is good. If a fan motor has high amps, then that's a sign that it could fail very soon. So we're going to check that and we're going to notify you if something is going to fail soon. Once we've checked the indoor fan and the outdoor fan, we'll check the capacitors because capacitors are the most common repair on an HVAC system. And when they go out, they tend to go out in the middle of the summer when it's the hottest. The good thing about capacitors will show a bad reading before they go out. So we check that and make sure that that's not going to be a nuisance and it's not going to go out at the worst possible time. Once we've checked all of the electrical components, the Freon pressures, and we've cleaned both coils, then we're going to turn the system on in heat and just make sure that everything runs properly. If you go on our website, there's a much more detailed list of everything that we check. Every technician has a checklist that is attached to the customer profile, and the technician will go down each checklist item line by line, and as they check each item off, then a new item pops up. So every inspection that we do at every home is the same. That's our process to make sure that everything is being checked. We do have a maintenance plan which covers 2 trips per year. Customers that are on our maintenance plan receive a couple bonuses that non-customers that aren't on a maintenance plan don't receive. Number 1 is priority service. We have extreme weather in North Carolina, and when it gets extremely hot, it can be hard to schedule fast service. So what we do is when our schedule is booked, we give our customers that are on our maintenance plan priority service, and we can guarantee next day service because we're limiting who we serve to the people on our maintenance plan. So the first thing you get is priority service. The second thing, we give 5% discounts on all repairs throughout the year. So if one of our maintenance plan customers has a breakdown in the middle of the summer or in the middle of the winter or sometime throughout the year, you will receive 5% discount on parts for being a member of our maintenance plan. Also, all of our maintenance plan members receive $100 towards a new system replacement for each year that they're on the plan. So for example, if you're on one of our maintenance plans for 5 years and you have to replace a system after those 5 years, you would get a $500 discount on that HVAC replacement. I hope this helps you understand what's included in a maintenance and what the benefits are signing up for one of our maintenance plans. My name is Michael James Johnson from AC Man Heating and Air. Thank you for watching.